Hello, welcome to Glamptech Agro Processes Private Limited, Mumbai, India, as their directors Mr. Ashok Kumar Garg and Mr. Prakash Wagmare are technical directors and having experience more than 40 years and supplied more than 500 plants in India as well as abroad country like Australia, New Zealand, Mexico and African countries. This is the latest plant erected and commissioned at Zambia. Edible oil refinery plant, capacity 300 tons per day in Wembashi, which erected and commissioned by Glamptech Agro Processes Private Limited. Glamptech continuous neutralizing plants. There are neutralizer tanks to neutralize, with heating and agitating into the positive displacement pump. All goes to hydration tank through PHE. After all goes to the VO separator through the positive displacement pump. The VO separator is designed for and can be adapted to applications such as degumming, neutralization and washing. Segmentally, it has 3 stages of retention. For maintain the temperature of the oil through the steam, and for washing, after washing centrifuge separator oil is proceed for the vacuum dryer. The vacuum dryer where the moisture is removed and oil is free from moisture, the dryness is 99.9%. Various operations like water degumming, gum conditioning, neutralizing and water washing can be carried out in this plant. The entire plant is designed for continuous operation and requires minimum attention. The equipments can be controlled from a central control panel with large easy-to-read flow diagram of the process, and the entire plant can be handled by a single operator. Furthermore, the sturdiness and quality of all the parts employed permits simple operation and reduced maintenance. The incorporation of pressure leaf filters ensures lower oil losses in the spent earth. The plant is provided with comprehensive instrumentation and control system for efficient control of all significant process parameter, ensuring high-quality oil consistently. Third, Glamptech Continuous Deodorizing Plant. The Glamptech Continuous Deodorizer is constructed totally out of stainless steel and comprises of a number of superimposed trays. This design offers following advantages: continuous operation and/or quick feedstock changeover with no substantial loss of operating time and with no risk of cross-contamination. Equal temperature and vacuum throughout the deodorizing column contamination, hence ensuring high efficiency of stripping. Low energy requirements. Heat recovery as high as 85% is achieved by use of special system of heat regeneration. No pollution problems as the condenser water is discharged. condenser water is discharged practically fat-free, thanks to separate vapor scrubbing arrangement. No splash oil, hence lower neutral oil losses and nil processing cost. All operations are centralized in control switchboard with PLC